One thing that is really driving the retail industry today is the intense margin pressure that retailers are facing. And that margin pressure is much greater than it has been in the past. In response to the margin pressure, we are seeing retailers do two things. Number one is they're setting up multiple supply chains to meet the needs of their consumer. And number two is they're responding to the new needs of the new omni-channel world and the omni-channel environment. As retailers try to manage this complexity, there are two missteps that we've seen many of them take. First is they try to oversimplify the situation. And the second is they try to simply reduce costs to deal with the margin pressures. And neither of these two things by themselves will work. What really separates the winners from the losers today are three unique things. First is how they're managing inventory in the omni-channel environment. The second is how they're working with their strategic suppliers throughout the supply chain. And the third is how they're balancing speed to market with the cost and the expense requirements of these three supply chains. One fashion apparel retailer that we worked with took a really smart approach. They set up three supply chains using the competitive intelligence that we've brought from across the industry, across looking at fast fashion retailers and more traditional retailers to help them set up those supply chains. Now they are tracking the margin performance of all the product that flows through each supply chain, and this result has allowed them to really increase and improve the margin performance of their entire business.